How do you maximize your punching power? Whether in boxing or MMA, whether for self-defense or competition, the whole purpose of training is to make yourself as formidable and dangerous to your opponent as possible. So it goes without saying that learning how to maximize your punching power is a must. Some people say punches are born, not made, and there is some truth to that. But you can maximize your punching power with the right technique. So here are 4 tips to help you maximize your punching power and get the most out of every punch you throw. Number 1, having the right stance is the prerequisite to put yourself in the right position at the right distance to throw any punch from any angle at the drop of a dime with maximum power. You want to look at your lower body kind of like shocks on a car. Even though you're going to favor the back leg about 60%, and you're going to intermittently switch from back to front depending on the distance of your opponent and then what target presents itself, you're going to be able to move in with that lower body and load up on whatever side you need to get maximum power on that punch. Number 2, the 4 points of torque. All power starts from the ground up. So you're going to constantly be intermittently shifting from back to front foot, and you're going to generate power. It's called kinetic energy, and it's going to link from your foot to your hip, to your shoulder, to your fist. You're going to twist the foot, twist the hip, twist the shoulder, and twist the fist. You'll see a lot of guys sometimes just throwing arm punches. That's literally only 25 to maybe 50% of their maximum power. So when you start from the ground up, twisting the foot, the hip, the shoulder, and the fist, that's how you send all that kinetic energy from the ground right through your target. Number 3, accuracy. Your weapon is going to be your middle knuckle, which is the biggest, strongest bone in your hand. And whatever target that presents itself, preferably something that's more sensitive, like the solar plexus, the chin, the temple, something like that, the nose, that's going to be a force multiplier. It's like the difference between getting hit with a wiffle ball bat or an aluminum bat. I mean, if you punch somebody accurately with this middle knuckle, even if you hit them on the shoulder or the hip, it's going to cause severe pain. So that's just going to be a force multiplier that adds to your power and maximizing the damage you could do to your opponent. Number 4, having the right snap at the end of your punches. And this comes from 2 things. The shoulder snap, when you throw that punch from the ground up, you're going to snap your shoulder into it. And then the other thing is you're going to keep your hand barely open right until just before the moment of impact. Then you clench your fist, and that's how you're going to be able to deliver maximum speed and penetration through to your target. Implement these 4 tips in all your training sessions from here on out, whether you're shadow boxing, doing bag work, mitt work. Keep doing it until it becomes second nature, and you'll be punching with maximum power in no time. Hope you found this informative. Like, subscribe, comment, share. Go check me out on Instagram at coach.v_. Online courses out now. Link is in the description. Till the next time, we out of here. Out.